Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle of complicated installations or unsightly gaps? Scosche's car stereo dash kits offer a simple, reliable solution that fits perfectly in your factory dash location. Imagine a seamless, professional look that matches your vehicle's original color and texture. No awkward spaces, no guesswork. I recently installed a Scosche dash kit in my 2003 Santa Fe, and the difference was clear from the start. The kit's automotive-grade ABS construction felt sturdy and high quality. Installation was straightforward, no special tools needed, just the clear step-by-step instructions included. It snapped into place with a flawless, gapless fit that looked like it came straight from the factory. Plus, knowing Scosche has been perfecting these kits for 40 years gave me confidence that this wasn't just a quick fix but a durable upgrade. What sets Scosche apart is their commitment to support and quality. Every dash kit comes with lifetime tech support, so you're never left on your own if questions pop up down the road. And with their limited lifetime warranty, you're protected against defects for as long as you own the product. That kind of assurance matters when you're investing in your vehicle's sound system. If you want a clean, professional-looking stereo upgrade that's easy to install and built to last, Scosche dash kits are worth a look. They take the guesswork out of the process and deliver a perfect fit every time. Try it when you're ready to give your ride the sound system it deserves.